Whiskey is a single Cherokee 5-mile final for the straight in 3-3, Furnace Creek.
Wind's picking up here at Furnace Creek, a little 5, maybe 4 or 5 knots out of, what is that, maybe 110, I'm sorry, 1-9er.
So we should go 1-5.
And 4 Whiskey, copy all. Thanks, Pete. We'll just pick 1-5 and be conservative.
Got you there.
Ask him if he has us in sight. I'll forget him. So
yeah,
that's us right here?
Yep, that's the little runway there.
Yeah, I can see it.
They're still kind of high.
Huh?
There's pattern altitude.
Right there?
Yep. 790. So you like left traffic?
Left traffic?
Unless that's the runway up there. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's probably the grade.
That's it. Huh? Because it's set like this. So we're going to go around like that for left traffic?
Yep.
Okay. That's right. We fly over the hotel and then... So that's pattern? I'm a little confused.
Yep. Because it's below, remember? So 790, you're a little bit low.
Okay, got the runway. I was looking at this thing.
Yeah, so was I. It's hard to see with those bushes blocking it.
Okay, mix going full rich. What do we got there?
Full rich, fuel pump on, carb heat.
Oh, that is the landing gear.
As required. Furnace Creek, 4 Whiskey is taking downwind for runway 15, left traffic, Furnace Creek. Sorry.
You know, this is an old Navy practice field, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't know that. Tiny little thing.
Okay, landing checklist complete. How we doing?
Carb heat, flaps, wind check, landing clearance, not required. Configured for landing, prepared for go around. Carb heat is off. You can turn. Furnace Creek, 4 Whiskey, single Cherokee, turning a left base for runway